You are just
We're not just, we're talking face to face with the people.
This is just propaganda.
Thuma kamangda.
अरे एक आदमी कितना कितना छुट्टी के लिए
अभी आप लेफ्ट राइट की बातें don't talk about all this what is happening over there. This is just propaganda.
This is border. There are so many cookies out there. And now I'm asking you the questions very transparency. Tell me what are you going to do for 3 to 4 hours? क्या करना है? अगर इतना time लेना है तो we will understand. But tell me the transparency.
So there is no mandate to answer your questions.
That's what. If you cannot answer a question, then we cannot let you pass because without
that's
reason.
the area. That's the area. It's a routine patrol which need to be carried. First of all, we are not mandated to
Then
answer.
you talk to our higher authorities. We didn't have the power to let you go. अब यही तो आएगा. तो ये तो आना है ना. What can I do? They have given us no more patrolling. Then we say that we let them go for 2-3 times. Now they scolded me. Why do you let you go? What authority you have? उसने हम लोग को.
Now they will remove you from a job.
Not from job. They will let me go away from this land. Where will I go? जमीन छोड़ने के बोला है. You need to. Why do you let it go? The same thing it will happen to you. So we are saying under negotiation. You talk to our leaders. Let the people talk to our leaders. And if they say go, we go. If not, we cannot let it pass because they have already given us. We know these things. Now I'm just letting you show what is it is written in the letterhead. So please let us live peacefully. Please, I'm begging you, let us live peacefully. If you really need it, then please take the permission from our higher authority. If they say yes, we have nothing. And within 2 seconds, within a second, we can let you go. But I've already given the authority no patrolling, no more going. So I didn't say I will not let you pass. Please talk to our higher authorities, and then you finish your conversation. Come to us. ये तो होना पड़ेगा. मैं तो कितना डर खा चुका है.
I told you earlier on that.
That's why we already waited you. They say that what is your reason for going? Now they ask me. The headman asked me. So the things that last time we discussed, it has gone viral everywhere. So now all the Nagas people, they have concern and they say that.
So you have made it viral.
Yes, why not? Yes, why not?
Then you're telling us it's gone viral. So you are the one who made it viral, maybe.
That's what we have to discuss. That's what we have to discuss now. They're asking, why are you going?
You're not obliged to answer your questions. Yes.
तुम्हारा जो हम लोग का सवाल पूछ रहा है, अगर तुम दे सकता है वो.
I told you, we need to go. We need to carry out the domination. That's why we are going. That's what I told you.
कितना टाइम लगेगा इसलिए.
I told you. I'll be
3
back.
to 4 hours. It's no.
I will be back.
There is nothing to do. There is nothing to negotiate. We didn't have power. We just talk to the higher authority and come. That is the best because our village headman, these all headman people, they have written us four letterhead. Now I'm showing you the biggest for all the Nagas letterhead. They are different from village. Also, I got the letterhead from this Kampat clan. All they are sending me the letterhead. Now they have given me the letterhead. Once if your village pass it, then all our place will not let them stay at this place. तो हम लोग कहाँ जाएगा? चट्टी यारो है खेदू. हायर अथॉरिटी दी लाखरा बच्चे तो माँ बुहनी चट्टी यारो दी किन्हीं से चला का पत्थरों कुछ ज्ञान ताना लगे ना तो दूसरी से नहीं इराम करते हैं. क्या है इसमें?
나는 제시 사고 타고 싶어.
कोई कत नंग ना तो दरकार तादे खतना से दरकार तादे अदुगी अखोई इन तपना ज्ञान ताना अदुम नेशु नेगिदे पोथाओ अखोई खोई पोथारगा ज्ञान ताना लैसे हेबिरा अदुदा यादुदी उपाय लेतेना
तो मैं के हाय
हाय ऑथोरिटी द वरी सारो हेबिने अखोई उपाय लेते अखोई मोइ चप्पि यादे नहान नै बेंगो चप्पि याय हेरगा हुजिदि आइने फोन तौरगा अखोई चप्पि यादे हाइबिने हेना हुजिदि खुन मखैना आइ चटखो हाइबिने तो
चल भाई गाड़ी घुमा ले.
आइ चटखो है आइ क्राइ चटखा.
आंटी हो गया बस बंद करो हो गया.
Adunina, please talk with the higher authority and then please you come back. You come suddenly. call me
Churong
suddenly.
le le shop
But that Sunday we waited to eagerly.
Suggestion chi hi thang dak lai ko.
बात करने
Ma chang pai ma re chi le la ra khan chon dak lai ko a she chen ne shi na kham kui le ko khan khabai da khan na sak dak lai ni a thang karya kha che man nam khwe ma ka khwe
पर सब कुछ अभी हेडमैन का ऑथोरिटी में अभी तो सब कुछ तंगु और नागा पुलिस से हम लोग को परमिशन लेना पड़ेगा
cha tau re chel la ji ishna ma mya thu ta shi ji han gi ji khai nei kong li bung ko thum bung mi tia tam chang sa chang bam nau ra chai ta chi nei shi nei arai ta ta ma chang rok paim re situation mam tha thu ta ma sa paim re ta ishna ta ta klan hai re a chu chi mik shol la